Jay and Carrie, you're about to make promises to one another. Today, these vows are beautiful words representing even more beautiful intentions. But you will find that as you live these vows over the years, investing your time and love and your commitment to one another, the happy times of your life will be twice as joyous because you will be someone who shares the joys with you. By the authority invested in me, by the Universal Life Church, the great state of Texas, and the power of the internet, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Oh,